Tonight, we celebrate excellence, not just in figures and profits, but in the enduring partnership that drives Santiago City's growth. We honor our top 100 business taxpayers and most inspiring business leaders whose hard work, resilience, and civic spirit power our city's success. Kayo po ang tunay na katuwang ng pamahalaang lungsod sa pag-unlad ng ating ekonomiya, sa patuloy na pag-angat ng pamumuhay ng bawat Santiagueño. Your contributions touched Santiagueños' lives. Every peso in taxes that you pay is transformed into classrooms, scholarships, hospitals, livelihood programs, safer streets, and this very arena and our very own 10-hectare state-of-the-art sports complex. Together, let us continue to build a Santiago that is economically vibrant and socially compassionate. A city where business and service walk hand in hand towards one vision. Isang lungsod na maunlad, maayos at may malasakit. Tayong lahat agkakabsat.
Humiyaw, gumalaw, umikot, sumayaw, umitak, pumalakpak.